Welcome to today's video. Today, we'll dive into the world of lean manufacturing, a strategy that has revolutionized how businesses operate globally. What are the core principles of lean? How do these methods work? And why are they so effective in improving efficiency and reducing costs? Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content about production and management. Let's get started. 1. What is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is a methodology designed to maximize customer value while minimizing waste. Originating from Japan, specifically the Toyota Production System, TPS, lean focuses on streamlining processes to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve quality. 3 core ideas of lean. Focus on activities that create value, eliminate waste, continuously improve processes. 2. The 5 core principles of lean define value. Identify what truly matters to the customer. Anything that doesn't directly contribute to value is considered waste. Map the value stream. Create a map of all steps in the production process to identify which add value and which are wasteful. Create flow. Ensure that production processes run smoothly and without interruptions. Avoid bottlenecks, overproduction, and delays. Implement pull systems. Produce only what the customer needs and when they need it. This reduces inventory and prevents overproduction. Pursue continuous improvement, Kaizen. Lean is not a one-time project. It's a commitment to ongoing optimization. 3. The 7 types of waste, MUTA. Lean identifies 7 main types of waste to eliminate. Overproduction, making more than needed. Waiting, idle time for machines or employees. Transportation, unnecessary movement of materials. Inventory, excess materials or finished products. Motion, unnecessary movement of people or equipment. Defects, products requiring rework or disposal. Overprocessing, steps that don't add value. 4. Lean methods in detail. 1. 5S, workplace organization. What is 5S? A method to organize workplaces efficiently. Sort, remove unnecessary items. Set in order, arrange items for easy access. Shine, clean regularly. Standardize, establish consistent practices. Sustain, maintain discipline to follow standards. Example: in an automobile factory, tools are clearly labeled and organized, reducing time spent searching for them and increasing efficiency. 2. Kanban, managing workflow. What is Kanban? A visual system to manage workflow and ensure that production matches demand. Example: Amazon uses Kanban in its warehouses to monitor inventory levels in real time, ensuring timely replenishment without overstocking. 3. Kaizen, continuous improvement. What is Kaizen? A philosophy involving all employees in making small, regular improvements that lead to significant long-term benefits. Example: in a hospital, Kaizen reduced patient waiting times by 30% by optimizing scheduling and workflow. 4. Just-in-time, JIT. What is JIT? Produce only what is needed when it's needed to minimize inventory and reduce waste. Example: Toyota uses JIT by having suppliers deliver parts directly to the assembly line in the exact quantity and time they're required. 5. Poka-yoke, error-proofing. What is Poka-yoke? A system to prevent errors by design or technical safeguards. Example: the design of USB connectors, which can only be inserted one way, is a classic example of Poka-yoke. 5. Benefits of lean manufacturing: cost reduction. Less waste means lower costs. Improved quality, fewer errors lead to better products. Increased customer satisfaction, faster and more reliable delivery. Flexibility, better adaptability to market changes. 6. Challenges of implementing lean. Implementing lean isn't always easy. Common challenges include resistance to change. Employees may be skeptical of new methods. Lack of training. Without proper education, lean tools can be ineffective. Short-term thinking. Lean requires long-term commitment. Conclusion: why lean works. Lean is more than a set of tools. It's a mindset that can transform businesses by reducing waste, improving quality, and boosting customer satisfaction. Which lean method do you find most interesting? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who might want to optimize their processes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.